Well, welcome back, guys, to this new, the last part of the my first write document, Wordpad. I just would like to explain to you the paste option, which I said that I'll conclude with that. And here is it. I'm just copying some text from here, and I'm going to paste the file. Here's the paste, simple paste option, which you know it. There's also another paste special option. This paste option is based on Wordpad document file paste, which is the default, or the picture meta file. So you're actually having a a picture file, and you cannot edit this because like a photograph. So these are the things which are there in the paste special option. Another thing you can see over here that I've changed the font color and the font phase, style, the font family, everything. And here if I do a copy and I would like to paste the file, okay, I'm just putting it here using Arial or Arial left. And I want to paste the same thing over here, text, but without formatting. So I'm going to use unformatted text. You see that? And if I use the middle one, this just before that, rich text format, what happens? This shows that all the text matter all the property of the text has been pasted. Well, that's very important thing. Well, so try to understand that we are using this copy and paste for that reason. Fine. And finally we have the save as option, the save apps option. We can save the file in RTX format, because this can be used in the other word processing software like Microsoft Office Word and OpenOffice and so on. Also, you can save the file in a extensible markup language. This is a different type of a language used, so you can use that. Only those people who are familiar with XML will understand this. How does this work? Okay, so may not be relevant to you. Then you can save this file as an open document text. Okay, there it is. And go to, maybe I just try to go to desktop and save the file there. Go back. You can see this ODT. So that's very important. So when you look at this ODT, it saves it as an open document format, so on the desktop. And finally you have the plain text format, which saves it as a plain text format. I'll just save this again on the this is a plain text format, but you see what happens, you cannot even see the text, and it can be open in Word, and there is, you can see it in Word Notepad. You can go right click on it, open, and see it in Wordpad. You see, so for Writepad it will look like exactly the same, but in the Wordpad it will in Notepad it won't be able to see anything. So you don't have to be worried much about that. So these are just those formats which are available in the also. I hope you have understood the file write Wordpad, how it works, and you won't have any other problems. I hope so. If so, then I'm always there for your query. And of course there will be some questions about other formats, or maybe something to do with page setup. page setup. And what does the page setup do? It has letter size, all the different size, A4 size inside the size option, and the source option. It is nothing but the place where you're going to print this thing, and the margins, offset margin of the file. You can even print page numbers if it is possible. So that's how page setup is all about. So I think when you have a printer and something like that, that gives you an output out of it. That is the time you'll understand how what happens, how does the page setup work. Otherwise it could just practically just theory wise it's not going to work like that. So I hope you try it on your printer. Right, so page setup is very important also. Once when with that we are finished with this lecture, I can always exit the file, so you still have the chance to send in a mail also, which will move to Microsoft Office, Microsoft Outlook Express. So we don't need to go on that thing. Thank you very much.